KNW stock analysis and KNW stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 42,000 videos and documented everything over 5 years, and I'm telling you this because there's like literal proof. With KNW, with a 20% increase in price, I'm actually very glad because it did deliver to the dot. When the prediction, like I called this out 21 hours ago, the sad part is only got 19 views, which is so sad because this was such a crazy call out right here for free. And since it delivered, I'm just waiting for more. So that means that if there's some sort of a confirmation, I'm still going to be willing to buy. But that being said, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, then just, sure, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. But what I'm not going to be doing is just randomly getting involved. So let me know what is your opinion. See you in the next one. If you want to stay tuned with KNWs, click the first link in the description. Get the free emails and insights. Goodbye and enjoy.